In this release, we're going to enhance the Jira experience within IBM ELM and be able to make the Jira issue types more present as you interact with the IBM tools. To give you an example, we're going to take a look at EWM here. Traditionally, what we did was follow the OSLC usage parameters, very similar to EWM. So if we wanted to add a related change request, whether we're dealing with something like EWM, where we have just these generic types like defect, plan on change requirements, change request, or task, that was the way in which we interacted. In fact, we have this default configuration for my Jira project here. You're going to see a similar type of usage, and this is the OSLC usage. What we found is users wanted to have a tighter experience with what they had defined in Jira. So what I can show you here is some of the customization ability that we have now within the Jira OSLC experience. So right now you're going to see a default mapping to the standard OSLC types, or also see the OSLC naming of those relationships or those resource types. What we can do now is be able to actually edit these and be able to make this clearer to the users on what they're actually interacting with. Now, traditionally, what we've seen is people have adopted this is that they want to utilize the default Jira types, the names of those, as well as we can add additional types in this description as well. So things like if we had an improvement here, we can add more types to have visibility within the IBM tools. And so when I do this, these changes immediately take effect. So if I'm in EWM now and I go to create a related change request to my Jira project, what you'll see now is that I will actually have access to my new feature. I will have access to improvement. So I have my Jira labels directly in EWM now. So this is an experience that allows you to be able to have that ability to be able to interact via OSLC while still having access to your Jira type, so you don't have to do some internal mapping of what did I map a plan item to. I can just utilize my Jira types directly.